Want to solve high ping issues on Valorant? Do you want to make insane plays like Dirk but high ping isn't letting you do so? Hi there! Here is how you can fix that pesky high ping issues. So let's get started. Solution 1. First, check your internet speed and latency. To do this, visit speedtest.net with any browser. Then click on Go. Now, the website will test your internet speed and give you all the information about your upload speed, download speed, and of course, latency or ping. If the ping is too high, restart your router and disconnect other devices from the network. Now, check again using the website. If the ping is too high, contact your internet service provider and ask them for help. Solution 2. You can also try lowering the ping by using the best DNS server. To do this, first open command prompt. If you can't find it, write CMD in the search bar and command prompt will come up. Click on it. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now, scroll down a little and click on the Edit button next to DNS Server Assignment. From the top, select Manual and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now, on the preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternative DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you are using 1.1.1.1 DNS. But if you are using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save and your job is done. And guys, that's how you can fix the high ping issue in Valorant. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button. But if you still have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.